see all the flower?
If it is your first time to order car vacuum cleaner from China, you need to check this video. It's easy to compare which price is good, but not easy to tell the quality difference. In today's video, we make an example for you. The right vacuum cleaner is ours. The left one is from the market with super cheap price. At the first sight, they look quite the same size, same color, only a little different from the switch. And then we check the weight. This is 238 grams, and ours is 383 grams. It is almost 40% lighter than our product. You know their price is not 40% cheaper. Now we make the actual testing. Usually when we use a car vacuum cleaner, we may need it to clean the dust, sand, or mud. Now we use the flower to make the test. It's the flower. We have 2 flowers here. Now we try our vacuum cleaner and to test if it can do the job. Okay, we choose another the vacuum cleaner to make the test. Oh, can you see all the flowers coming out everywhere? It's not a good thing to look at it. So you can see the flower come out everywhere, while this other one is no coming out else. So we have to use our car vacuum cleaner to clean all the flower side. You can see now it's very clean.